Hey everybody, Bruce Sweeney, founder of Simply for Life, and today we're going to talk about my favorite source of magnesium glycinate. I'm going to give you the quick one-on-one. You're probably being bombarded these days by many health advocates or wannabe gurus with no credentials that have a link to sell you magnesium. So I'm going to convince you because you need to know why there's so many benefits of magnesium. I believe it's more than 75%, but the industry is telling us that 75% of our population don't get enough magnesium or have a magnesium deficiency. We're not eating well enough, we're drinking too much, we're not sleeping well, we're stressed, medication, too much caffeine. And at the end of this, you'll understand why magnesium glycinate is a superstar because I'm going to talk about the benefit of glycine. What they do is they combine magnesium with glycine, calling it magnesium glycinate in a short version. So, when you look at magnesium creates energy. You hear this a lot of times because what it truly helps converting food into fuel. It's amazing for muscle movement. It helps contract and also relax. It's really good for your nervous system. We all know that magnesium is calming superstar, right? It's good for stress, anxiety, depression, life itself. If you're overwhelmed, we need magnesium. Excellent for type 2 diabetes, and especially with helping you managing blood glucose. Heart health. It's superstar for your blood pressure. It works as an anti-inflammatory. It helps lower your C-reactive protein, which is a marker of inflammation. And I can go on. It's good for migraine, PMS symptoms, pre and menopause. I did a full segment on this for you to understand the benefits of magnesium. It's good for your hormones, bone health. Better sleeps means better mood and helps with your weight management. So there's much more I can add on about magnesium, but I want you to understand why my favorite source is magnesium glycinate. So if you look at glycine, and we're going to show you, I'm give you the citation at the end of it of the evidence base on everything I'm talking about right now. So glycine helps with obesity and type 2 diabetes. Over and over, we've seen the research because it also helps reduce fatty acid and triglyceride. We know triglycerides are correlated with cardiovascular disease. So we want to reduce your level of triglycerides. Also, glycine helps reduce inflammation. 95% of disease are directly correlated with some sort of inflammation. So anything that reduces inflammation is good for you. But I'm not done yet. In cancer, there's evidence that it shows that glycine inhibit liver and B16 melanoma skin cancer cell proliferations and angiogenesis. So it prevents from all these blood vessels, spider webs, so forth, so on. So magnesium is excellent for many things, but the glycine in it has a lot of other effect, especially when it comes to cancer. It improves your quality of your sleep. So double bam, magnesium helps and glycine helps. And glycine is also much more soothing on the stomach, make it easier when you're taking magnesium. It's excellent for your nervous system, especially if you have ADHD, OCD. It reduces oxidative stress. It's good for stroke. Think about this. Magnesium is good for cardiovascular disease, and glycine is also good for stroke. For muscle, we've seen also during cancer, a lot of patients will lose muscle mass or muscle integrity. So it prevents muscle wasting. How that is not mentioned more. I mean, just that itself, it's huge. Another thing too is that it's great for connective tissue integrity, skin, tendon, cartilage, liver protection. Liver is so important. And it's the main amino acid in collagen. So, of course, it's getting a lot of attention in the anti aging world or for skin or that glow because it's the primary amino acids in collagen. Protects your heart also. So if you're not sold on why I truly believe that magnesium glycinate is a superstar, you got it right now. It's like buying vitamin D3 and then you're buying vitamin K2. but then you're buying a bottle that has vitamin D3 and K2 combined together. So our Simply Magnesium, which is magnesium glycinate, we suggest 1 to 3 capsules per day, so 400 to 1200 milligrams a day with food. Also, if you have any issues with kidneys or you're on kidney dialysis, magnesium is still wonderful for you, but make sure you talk to a health professional about the right amount of dosage. You can recognize our brand. This is our brand. It comes in capsule form, magnesium glycinate, which I'm extremely proud of, and that's a product I take religiously also. And most of all, here's all the citation. Be careful out there. There's a lot of gurus that, and I'm not telling you what they're selling you is bad, but with no credential whatsoever. Everything I've suggested is evidence based and has been peer reviewed also. So now you know what is the best form of magnesium. Just think magnesium glycinate. Why? Because they combine it with an amino acid glycine, which has a host of other benefits that's good for you. So you're getting double bang for your buck. Enjoy, and please follow up all our segments on all the tools we can give you to have consistent progress with your lifestyle. Take care.